Hello everyone, welcome back to Chemistry JRFnet. This is a question from fugacity. That is, at a high pressure, the fugacity coefficient of a real gas is greater than 1 because, and the options are given. First option, attractive term overweights the repulsive term. Next one, repulsive term overweighs the attractive term. Repulsive term is equal to the attractive term. The system is independent of both the attractive and repulsive terms. So in this question it is given that the fugacity coefficient of a real gas is greater than 1 and also at a high pressure. So let me check how to find the answer. We have the real gas equation P plus A by V square into V minus B equal to RT. There are two cases. Case 1, at low pressure. At low pressure, the force of attraction is greater than force of repulsion. That is, the term corresponding to attraction is A is greater than B, that is repulsion. And in this case, the compressibility factor is less than 1 and also the fugacity coefficient is less than 1. Thus, the F is less than P. Fugacity is less than pressure. The next case is the case 2, high pressure. In this case, the force of repulsion is greater than force of attraction. That is, B is very greater than A. In this case, the compressibility factor Z is greater than 1 and also the fugacity coefficient is also greater than 1. Thus, the fugacity is greater than pressure. So, in our question it is given that the fugacity coefficient phi is greater than 1. So, such cases, the force of repulsion will be greater than force of attraction. So, our answer is repulsive term overweighs the attractive term. Option B. The next question is from GATE 2000. The criteria for spontaneity of process is, and the options are given. So, as we studied, we know that delta S system plus delta S surrounding will be greater than 0. So, our answer is option C. Next question is from GATE 2001. Choose the correct criterion for spontaneity in terms of properties of the system alone. So, we have studied the criteria for spontaneity and this is a direct question, that is DSUV, that is entropy at constant internal energy and the volume is greater than 0. The criteria for spontaneity are directly asking from our notes only, and let me refresh the points, that is delta S universe is greater than or equal to 0. We have discussed the question, that is delta S system plus delta S surrounding is greater than or equal to 0. And we have the equation dq by t is less than or equal to ds, and the condition for spontaneity, the entropy at a constant internal energy and a volume is greater than or equal to 0. Entropy at a constant enthalpy and pressure is greater than or equal to 0. And the du at constant entropy and volume is less than or equal to 0. These two conditions are greater than or equal to 0, and here all are less than or equal to 0. DHSP less than or equal to 0, DGPT less than or equal to 0, DAVT less than or equal to 0. This is also a question from criteria of spontaneity and the options are given. We have now only refreshed the criterias. The option is C, that is DSUV is greater than or equal to 0. Next question from GATE 2016. Of the following inequalities, the criteria for spontaneity of the chemical reaction is R. And the options are given. And here given that 1 only, 2 only, 1 and 2, 1 and 3. So which is the correct answer? That is 1 and 3. Delta G Tp less than 0 and also delta S UV greater than 0. Next question is from NET December 2017. The enthalpy is equal to, and the options are given. We have the equation G is equal to sigma mu I Ni, and we know that G is equal to H minus Ts, which is equal to sigma mu I Ni, that is H equal to Ts plus sigma mu I Ni. So option B is the correct answer. This question is from NET June 2018. The change in entropy for a reversible adiabatic process is, and the options are given. The entropy changes in case of adiabatic process will be 0. Option C. Thank you for watching. See you in next video.